Good morning, I am Ikada Ariwdiarsana. I will do presentation about my research proposal. The title is Improving Reading Comprehension of the 8th grade student of SMP PGRI 1 Denpasar in the academic year 2004 and 2005 through number hit together. Okay, I will presentation to important point in the background of the study. The first point is importance of reading in ALF learning. The second point is challenge in reading comprehension. Okay, the first, learning English as a foreign language AFL in Indonesia surveyed significant scientific and academic purpose. Consequently, students are expected to proficiently acquire four key language skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Reading specifically is viewed as an interactive process origin meaning in constructed through engagement with written text. It serves a bridge between existing knowledge and new information, allowing students to comprehend and extract valuable insights from the text. Thus, the ability to comprehend what is being read is essential during the reading process, as asserted by Patel. Reading not only provide information and enjoyment, but also facilitates that expansion and reinforcement of language proficiency. It is crucial for broadening perspectives and gaining insights into foreign cultures. An English teacher at SMP PGRI 1 Denpasar, he highlighted the challenge many students face in passing their reading class due to difficulties in comprehending text. 8th grade students in particular struggle with grasping the main ideas from reading material. The teaching method employed after monotonous adds to the problem by making it hard for students to engage with the text. Consequently, many students perceive reading as both challenging and uninteresting, first hampering their ability to understand text. Additionally, their limited vocabulary exacerbates this issue, necessitating that teachers provide extra stimulation to aid comprehension. To address these challenges, teachers need to adopt more dynamic teaching methods and implement strategies for vocabulary enhancement, ensuring students find reading more engaging and comprehensibly. And the last, research problem. Based on this condition, there are several problems with the reading skill of PGRI 1 Denpasar middle school student in the 2004 and 2005 academic year. Developing a research problem is very important for conducting scientific investigation, especially considering the challenge faced by students in reading comprehension in the classroom. These first test effort students still have difficulty comprehending text, lacking understanding and opportunity to share point of view. There is a clear need to improve teaching to techniques to improve reading comprehension. Therefore, a research problem arises: can reading comprehension of the 7th grade student of SMP PGRI 1 Denpasar in the academic year 2004 and 2005 be improved through numbered head together? Okay, I will presentation two important points in the theoretical review and empirical review. The first point, reading comprehension, and the second point is assessment of reading comprehension. Reading is not only a means to gather information from written material but also a crucial component of language proficiency that students must develop. Mastering reading is essential in academic setting as it enhances various language skills such as listening, reading, and speaking. According to Wald, reading comprehension involves readers actively engaging with the text to derive meaning. The primary object of reading is to foster a comprehensive understanding of the text contents rather than merely deciphering individual words or sentences. This comprehensive understanding enables students to interpret, analyze, and critically evaluate the information they read. Moreover, proficient reading skill contribute to academic success by enabling students to absorb and synthesize knowledge from diverse subjects. In turn, the knowledge base support their ability to articulate ideas clearly and effectively in both written and spoken form. Ultimately, developing strong reading skill is fundamental to academic achievement and overall language proficiency. Empirical review serves as meant to gain hard information and theories from previous students that are pertinent to the current research. Its aim is to bolster the present study by examining the outcomes and determining if the present study could exhibit similar success to those identified in the relevant student within the empirical review. Additionally, the empirical review provides a comprehensive understanding of the methodologies and results of past research, thereby guiding the current study design and implementation. Furthermore, the discussion will concentrate on two similar student counts by the research, highlighting their key findings and relevance to the current research. These selected studies offer valuable insight into the effectiveness of the approach used, and their outcomes can help predict the potential success of the current study. By analyzing the study in detail, the researcher can identify best practices and avoid potential pitfalls, thereby enhancing the overall quality and reliability of the research. Okay, I will present 6 important points in the research method. Okay, number 1, subject of study. Number 2, research design. Number 3, research instrument. Number 4, data collection. Number 5, data analysis. Number 6, success indicator. Okay, point number 1, subject of study. In the current classroom action research, the subject of interest comprises of the 8th grade student of SMP PGRI 1 Denpasar in the academic year 2004 and 2005. This investigation specifically zoomed in on the day meets with class 8D consisting of 36 students selected based on their observed challenges in reading comprehension. These challenges primarily revolve around grasping general and specific information, as well as understanding textual meaning and references within reading material. To take test obstacles effectively, the researcher has opted to implement the NHT numbered head together technique. The aim is to enhance the student comprehension skill, particularly concerning descriptive text. Okay, point number 2, research design. Classroom action research is a process utilized by teachers to address problems within their classroom and school, serving as an effective problem-solving method. Its goal is the enhance education by addressing specific issues and improving student ability through the implementation of reading strategies. According to Burns, 2010 classroom action research follow a four-step key. The first step, planning, involves identifying a problem or issue and devising an action plan to make improvements in a particular area of the research context. The second step, action, requires the researcher to implement the teaching learning process in the classroom. The third step, observation, entails the research monitoring the effect of the implemented action. Additionally, the final step is reflection, where the research assesses the impact of the action to determine the success of the research. Consequently, in the classroom action today, the teaching and learning process is structured into several key. Okay, point number 3, research instrument. The selection and construction of appropriate, valid, and reliable research instrument is a crucial step in any scientific investigation. This importance stems from the fact that only well-qualified instrument can yield the valid and reliable data necessary for the study being conducted. The inquiry of the data collected determines the validity of the research outcomes. In the specific context mentioned, the data was intended to assess whether the subject reading comprehension improved after the implementation of the number-head together technique. Various research instruments are commonly exploited by research to gather data, including tests and questionnaires. Okay, number 4, data collection. The research administered post-test at the end of every quickly to find out the result of the action. It was useful the- to diagnose the subject individual reading strength and weakness. After retest, the research applied the numbered head together technique in the class to take reading comprehension. Okay, point number 5, data analysis. Ari et al. 2010 stated that data analysis involves reviewing the data during calculation and attempting to synthesize and understanding the observation. This process is crucial for drawing meaningful conclusion from the data collected. The data were gathered during the research and analysis to address two research questions. Analysis include data from pre-test, post-test, and questionnaires. Okay, the last point, number 6, success indicator. This study defines success as when the subject under study already meets the minimum criteria for mastering speaking and determines whether the study should be continued or ended. Classroom exercise was deemed effective if all subjects received the minimal passing grade that has been determined in SMP PGRI 1 Denpasar. Thank you.